Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to create shortcuts to either close one or close all Excel windows. Hello everyone, my name is Hao Zong. I'm here to help you to use office work tools such as Excel and Power Automate. If you think my videos are helpful, please help me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. So I have two windows open. One is book 1 and one is book 6. So when I close the Excel file, right? When I close, it will only close one file, right? So I have to click multiple times if I need to close everything. So one thing you can do is, let me show you. Let me create another one. You can shift close, right? Don't save, and it will ask you whether to save the second workbook. Sometimes it's very hard to remember the shortcut shift close. So what you can do is, let me create another one. What you can do is go to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, All Commands, and search Close. So there is three types of close. So I think the first two is the same, just to close one window, and then you have close all to close all the Excel windows. So what you do over here on the right side, you create a new group under Home. Make sure Home is selected. Then click on New Group. Then rename this to Close. And click on the first close and add. And then click on Close All and add. And then click on OK. And now you have the shortcut to close or a window or close all the Excel windows. I hope this video has helped you. Please remember to give this video a like and please subscribe. Thank you so much. See you. Bye.